Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I encounter throughout the day. If for some reason I complete a task and you would like to see the details, you can click on the link in the description area below. This video also contains tips and tricks that I learned throughout the years. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. Thank you very much for watching. And off the Tinker Day. Santa somewhere, California, man, when they hit these Volvos, they hit them hard with destruction. I mean, they just be cutting stuff off, tearing stuff out. This came out here for a dash piece, which of course was destroyed. I even found a couple of Properses out here. 17-inch off a C70, and some nitwit took all the screws out of them. Properses with no screws. It's a mess. One was bent real bad. These two seem just to be mildly bent. But, man, it's a mess out here. I told him he doesn't want my old teeth. Hard to find anything worth taking out of here. Man, look at the destruction in here. They just tear stuff up. Just destruction. It's a shame. They just tear it out. They ain't trying to get nothing out. They just tearing it out. Sad. This was a 96, 97 T5. Just pieces. Got the socket outlets from these corners. Oh, I think I did. Yeah. I got the little vents covers from the temp sensor fans by the handles. I got those, one on each side. I got the rear mud flaps, which are getting harder to find. I got a couple Propers wheels without the bolts in them. Now I'm gonna look for Mr. Stevens parts. Oh, I got these two nuts off the batteries. Sometimes people lose those and I end up shipping those out. But man, this car is a freaking mess. This hose looks really good here. That's rare. Let me see if there's any other cars out here I can get some parts off of. At 70 T5M, my boy Jay hit this one hard. He got all the manual parts. He got the IPD parts. And this car has been thrashed. So don't come down here looking for no manual parts from this one, because they gone. They are gone. Can y'all say gone? Gone. And man, somebody ripped the dash out of this thing like it was in the freaking way. I hope my boy Jay didn't rip this out like that. But if he did, it's done. It's already done. I was looking for a switch out of here. And this car is such a mess, I don't know if the switch is here or not. Oh well, if you guys can hear this buzzing noise, but there's a buzzing behind this dash. Keys out. Got some buzzing noise in here. If anybody got any clue on that, let me know. It comes and goes. See how long it stays buzzing. Good Lord, somebody got a nice T5 here, decked out. Look at that. Anti-skid tape on the bumper, dual exhaust, chrome dipped wheels, triple barred rear wing. Oh, it's still auto. Got some mismatch interior, but that thing's looking good. Let's see if we can find who it is. Jewels and all. R bumper, looking good. So I need a steering wheel, and some brilliant person cut the freaking emblem right out of the steering wheel. Isn't that a mess? I guess I don't need the airbag anyway, so I could probably take that off. Let me see what else I need from in here. Here's a 960, folks. Don't know why it's here, but it is. And the front seats are beautiful. Beautiful. No tears in either one of them. Beautiful white car. 98 V70 down here in LKQ Monteverde or whatever it is. Looks like it's got two good headlights. Those headlights actually look good. Nah, that one's not good. This one over here is good, the passenger side. Well, I took the oil block off plates, some lights. Time to go up here, take this light off this S60 and get out of here. I'm gonna take this light, but there look like some doling in there and some damage in there. So I'm gonna look for a better one. Well, that was easy pickings too. The bumper was already off. Oh well, time to keep it moving. Back here with Tony's car. Missed the clock light the other day. So we're gonna pull the dash pad, get that light, and close this thing back up. Still need an A-pillar. Couldn't find one at the junkyard today. Got a few of those light bulbs working, especially those two right there. There it is, folks. $269. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.